Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Here we have the new question. Find the value of cos of 570 degrees into sine of 510 degrees plus sine of minus of 330 degrees into cos of minus 390 degrees. Here don't be scared by seeing these large values of theta. You can convert it using 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, etc. Now first we consider this as LHS, that is equal to cos of 570 degrees into sine of 510 degrees, and this sine of minus theta is minus of sine theta, so we can also write it as minus of sine 330 degrees into cos of minus theta is cos of theta only, so we can write cos of 390 degrees. Now this 570 can be written as cos of 90 degrees into 6 times plus 30 degrees, and sine of 510 degrees can be written as 90 into 5 plus 60 minus sine of 90 into 3 plus 60, and this into cos of 90 into 4 plus 30. See, after multiplying and adding you will get the same value. Now further, cos of any year you can do 90 plus theta directly, as this is the common factor. This 90 will changes the same angle as 90 plus theta, so for cos of 90 plus theta it is minus of cos of 30 degrees into cos of 60 degrees minus this minus sign in bracket. For sine it will become cos, that is cos of 60 degrees into cos of 30 degrees. Now here this as sign is changing in cos, it will have a negative sign, hence this negative and positive. Therefore cos of 30 degrees into cos of 60 degrees plus cos of 60 degrees into cos of 30 degrees, that will be equal to 0. Here for the even multiple of 90 degrees will have similar formula as pi plus theta, that is equivalent to 180 degrees plus theta, but for odd multiples it will be 90 plus theta, that is equivalent to pi by 2 plus theta formulas. Here see, as this cos of bracket 90 into 6 plus 30 is converted into again cos only, and similarly here this cos is again converted into cos only, because here even multiple of this is even multiple of 90, and here it is even multiple of 90, and here it is odd multiple, hence as per the rules of trigonometry 90 plus theta formula is applied here. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.